BraunAbility is proud to introduce our newest side entry conversion, the BraunAbility Toyota Hybrid in-floor conversion. This new lowered floor conversion joins our award-winning Toyota Foldout, already a favorite with our dealers and customers. We believe in giving our customers the most choice when it comes to selecting their best mobility option, all while never compromising on safety and reliability. Now, customers can choose their preferred ramp system, whether it be in-floor or fold-out, on their new BraunAbility Toyota Hybrid without losing any of the convenient and reliable features they've grown to love and depend on. We've made some big improvements with this Toyota in-floor conversion, all while retaining the best-in-class features of the Toyota Foldout. Notice the sizable ultra-wide ramp and doorway for even extra-large power chair users to easily enter and exit this vehicle. BraunAbility offers superior maneuverability where it matters most, through the doorway, inside the cabin area, and added space at the rear bench for extra turnaround space. There's also additional space at the driver position that allows for easy drivability for your independent drivers. But most importantly, it's the dependability of our built-to-trust quality engineering that makes us the #1 most recommended brand in mobility. Now let's talk about some of the new features on this remarkable Toyota Hybrid in-floor conversion. First, let's check out that all-new Wayfinder Power In-Floor Ramp System. The BraunAbility in-floor ramp features familiar advantages. It conveniently stows out of sight, out of mind, and completely beneath the cabin floor. But check out the remarkable new soft glow LED lighting system. That's what we call the Wayfinder. And it turns the ramp into a lighted runway that helps guide the wheelchair user up and down the ramp. This lighting system illuminates on ramp deployment and is tucked away discreetly into the side rails of this in-floor ramp, therefore not reducing space on the ramp, which we know is so valuable. Next, let's check out that remarkable center console. Our goal was to provide added space for both the front driver and passenger position, with added convenient, easy-to-reach controls. We've retained all of that in our newest in-floor conversion, but we've also upgraded the aesthetics of that console faceplate. Not only do you get the comfort and convenience of our easy-to-reach controls, but it all now blends effortlessly with the OEM panel. We've also enhanced the appearance of the vehicle's exterior. We redesigned the conversion's front valance to blend beautifully into Toyota's original vehicle aesthetics. The lines are clean and seamless and make for a really sharp vehicle for our customers to ride in style. We're excited to show you the newest addition to the BraunAbility lineup in person. Contact a product specialist or your local mobility dealer to find out when the first one will reach a dealership near you.